Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to talk to you in the beginning of this video about my 7-foot medium heavy Shimano Intenza. It came to me recently. I used it in the eye guard. The insert ended up coming out, so I have Fuji replacement guides, and I want to go ahead and show you how to DIY it yourself at home. So stick around, maybe we'll get to use this at the end. Test it out, see how well I did. So before we get started, you will need a few things. Some braid, a razor blade, any epoxy that you choose to use, a sand wedge, 3/4 inch pipe bender. Begin by heating up the existing epoxy. This is going to be a lot easier for you to run your razor blade underneath the eye guard. Remove the existing wrappings and epoxy. You'll notice that there's a lot of leftover epoxy. So here I take 130 grains of sandpaper. You can also use up to 280 grains of sandpaper to remove the existing epoxy and make a smooth finish. This is going to be a lot better for your new epoxy to bond to the rod. Make sure when you put the eye guard on that you align it up correctly and it looks straight. That's very important. I glue on the braid so I don't have to hold it. I begin to spin the rod and slightly pull away from the rod with the braid until the entire eye guard is covered. Poor guy. I'll drink one for you later. Alright, so I've been here for a little bit, and swim jig is not working, so I gotta change it up, but the eye guard's holding up as of right now. I want to see what happens when the temperature gets a little hotter, but just keep fishing, try to figure out what these fish want. So I've taken the swim jig off, and I have now put on a chatterbait. I chose the chatterbait because I can swim it and I can rest the chatterbait on the floor if I wanted to and use the head like a jig. Very versatile. Chatterbaits are very versatile for if you want to swim them, if you want to jig fish them. They are very well equipped for both. Alright. Let's try it again. So I walked around a little bit, tied on a weightless fluke. I've noticed that there's some little guys in the shallow. They might be protecting fry. But I don't see, any quality fish. If I were to hook into some of these little fry garters that I see, it's not really going to put this rod to a test. I'm really hoping that there's bigger fish in here than just a couple of half-pound to 1-pound fry garters. Cool. Alright. Got my first reaction from a fish just right now. Yeah, I'm sure if this thing was smaller, you'd crush it. That's probably what I should do. Got him. Oh, I didn't. I foul hooked him. He swiped at it and I foul hooked him. Yes, I did. Dang, that's not cool. Swiped at it and I foul hooked you? Come on, dude. I need you to freaking grab the hook. This is the second fish I foul hooked. Dang, son. Dang, son. Alright. Little guy. Sorry, dude.
You want it.
He's getting mad. He's actually coming back for it and hitting it. I'm just not hooking him. It's a little guy, too. That freaking Ned rig is killing it today.
Old trusty Ned rig.
It's a little guy, dude. Dang, okay. Oh, he's been caught before. Damn, alright. It's a little guy. Come back. Oh, God.
There it goes.
Yeah. Set the hook. Flop him up. Nice.
He's a little guy.
Did you guys just see that? Wow, that thing shot out of nowhere. I'm just, following it. Just a little guy. Got him. He's little, super little. Okay. Oh, peeing all over me, huh? Oh, okay. Yep, pee. Little guy. That's not the one I was after. He came out of nowhere. The one I'm going after is swimming off that way, actually. And I think I know why. Alright, so my eye guard did pass the test. It is sustaining life. That's good. I've noticed the fluke and the Ned rig were the two lures that we needed today in order to catch fish. So I'm thinking in my next outing, I'm probably going to throw a lot of weightless flukes and Ned rigs and maybe start throwing more top water too. So I think this is all I'm going to be doing today. So stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.